Hi, I'm Carolyn from Glass Eyes Online, and I'm here today with Laurie Kay, founder of Monsters Made with Love.
So
This
this
guy.
is Volcano. He's part of the Volcano Kit,
Oh, oh,
which when my first monster kit that I made, and I actually created a monster out of it, um, was this guy.
oh,
And I made it while I was in Hawaii working.
oh my gosh.
And so when you told me that you guys were doing a Hawaiian Aloha eyes, and I'm like, I immediately went to this guy. Oh, I'm so
So,
glad you like them. I've been
mhm,
using your eyes for so many years,
thank you.
and
Thank you.
I love these new colors, and they're so exciting and fun. The glitter is hilarious.